Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to reset your Apple Watch to factory default. This will allow you to sell it or give it away and unpair it from your Apple ID. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Watch app on your iPhone. So I've already got it open here, and what you need to do is go here at the top. So whatever's paired will be at the top. Tap on this, and you'll see there's two of them listed for me. I want to get rid of the aluminum one since I was waiting for the stainless steel. So we're going to unpair this by hitting I, then unpair Apple Watch. Unpair Aaron's Apple Watch. Unpair again. And then we have to put in our Apple ID. So make sure we do that and then put in your password. Now I've put it in and hit unpair, and you'll see it's unpairing. We'll go back to the face gallery, go back, and it's resetting. You'll see there's a little, looks almost like an error there. Let's see what it does here. We'll wait for it. There we go. Now it's starting to unpair the watch. Now it's fully rebooted and completely wiped. There's no personal information on here, and you're ready to return it or sell it or whatever you're doing with it. Now, if you don't have your phone nearby, you'll need to do it a different way. So let me take this one off. Now on this watch, you want to push the digital crown, then go to settings, then scroll all the way down till you get to general. Then under General, scroll down until you get to Reset, then erase all content and settings, and then put in your passcode, and it will erase and completely wipe the device. So those are the two ways to do it. This is the best way to unpair it from your watch and your phone directly, but once you do that, you're good to go. No information will be stored here, and all of your personal information is safe. Let me know if you have any other questions or any other videos you'd like to see in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.